Good evening, guys. This is Jinx. Welcome to my channel. And you are watching my position. Basically, I tried platinum and it went really bad, and it's going against me. And this is going against me since last week. I couldn't afford to take another trade, so I had to close my AUD JPY because the broker threatened to close my account, so I had to close my third trade. But today I saw gold in a good position. Actually, when I left my house to work, it was at 2630, but by the time I came to work and sort out things at work, it was 2648 when I bought it. But I'm hoping this would go up to 2660, but I'm trying to take profit at 2668, hoping to make like a $80 profit. But guys, I really want to show you my blotter. Yeah, this is the execution blotter, and because I had to close AUD JPY yesterday, I incurred a loss of like $150. This is not a demo account, this is a live account, and that is my real money that I lost. And platinum is something new I tried because I keep watching YouTube channel and I see Tori. She deals with crude oil and platinum, and I tried that, and it's not for me, guys. I don't know how to trade that. So basically I incurred a loss, and gold is my thing. I'm making profits in it. And my FTMO challenge, it's kind of going good. Let me quickly show you. So if you look, this is the max loss you can incur. So I started here, I made one loss, but it's kind of consistently going up, and once I reach 1500 profit, I would be actually hoping to get funded. I can become a funded trader. It is quite doable for me. And I think, guys, if you really do good in this, you can actually make a living out of it. Yeah, guys, the today's highlights is, even though trading has money coming in, sometimes if you're not cautious, you incur huge loss. But because my account is small, I almost lost more than like 10%. Imagine if you have a bigger account, that would be a bigger loss. I need to learn to manage my risk. I'm not very good at managing my risk. Yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you all have a good day. Thank you. Have a good day. Yeah? Bye bye.